Oh folks, today in Smolyan city in Rodopi Mountains, Bulgaria, is a little bit of a rainy day, and I just wanted to show you some part of my neighborhood. And over there is somewhere there is the village of Levochevo, my father's village and my village also, where my eco house and workshop eco project is coming along. For now, folks, just to say something as for the eco house and eco workshop project, I have postponed this for now for August 2026, because I need to work on developing my website, making more sales in order to try to save my business and to try to earn a living with that, to try have a profit from this website finally, because for almost 5 years now I haven't had a profit. I work on loss with the website. The revenue and the orders are not so much, a couple of orders per month. So I need to develop this, and I need to further work on the website, and that's why I just postponed the eco project for a bit later next month. Probably we'll see what is gonna happen, folks. But thank you to those of you who have enthusiasm for that eco but future project. But for now I need to earn some money very urgently, because I quit my daily job 3 weeks ago. I was getting a bit crazy from this home office call center. It was not good. So actually, folks, yeah, for now, yes, still posting mountain videos on the channel, but I'm gonna post also a lot of crafting videos, and just I'm gonna work hard on my website in the coming weeks. I am already working hard, so thank you for watching the video and for your understanding and for supporting my eco house and eco workshop project. Let's see in August about that. For now, more crafting and still more mountain videos to come on the channel. Thank you, folks. That's Smolyan city, and one of the best cities in Bulgaria and in the world for me. See you soon, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and share, subscribe, and comment below what you think about this video. Bye bye. Thank you.